how to make business website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started. And now you need to answer this question: what's your site about? So basically you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So we need the business website. So I'm gonna type business and click this arrow here, basically next button. What do you want to do with your website? So basically here you need to answer like what's the main purpose of your website, what do you want to do with your website. So basically if we're creating a business website, we need to sell products, maybe sell services, um, maybe promote a physical business, or you can choose another one, choose whatever you want here. Next, how would you like to start building your website? You can browse templates, or you can build your website with the AI technology. I'm gonna choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. It's really nice. Squarespace.com has plenty of templates, and all of them are really nice. You can see it here. Here it is. Here you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you and for your business. You can choose the type of your website here. You can deselect, for example, services. Here is best template matches for online store. Just for an example, I'm going to choose this one. You can view demo site here. You can change this color presets, but I really like this black and white design, so I'm gonna just choose this one basically. And now we need to start with this design. You can choose another template, you can choose another color preset. Feel free to create the exact website that you want, that you need. Now we can start. We can edit this website by clicking this button here, edit. Also here you can have your pages. So basically pages of your website. You can change the order of your pages. You can add new page here. You can delete some of them. For example, this about page. You can delete this like this. Or you can, for example, this shop page. You can set this as a home page. You can set another page as a home page. So very easy, isn't it? So next here we can have site styles. We can change themes here, fonts, colors, buttons, forms. Also here you can have another settings of your website, such as products and services, content and membership, scheduling, donation, invoicing. But we are gonna move straight to editing this template by clicking this button, edit. And now you can edit this site. You can edit almost everything here. For example, this one, this text, you can move it. You can change the size of this text like this. You can delete this text. You can write whatever you want here like this. Click on backspace, and now you can write whatever you want here. Just for example, you can change the size of this text basically. You can change the font, you can pin this text like delete this text here. So you can see we have sections here. For example, this section, it's a pretty big section. Next section here, just an image. This section, like just some text here. So you can remove a whole section just like this, or you can add new section by clicking this button, and the new section will appear between these two sections. Or if I click here, this will appear here. For example, here you can choose the section you want to add. You can see a lot of section, a lot of just nice variants. I'm going to choose just this one, just for an example. And of course I can edit this too, like change the place of this image. I can even delete this image, change the size, change this text. Basically double click on this text, I can do it like this. So if you don't like this image, if you don't need this image, you can delete this and you can add another one. Here it is, here is a button, add block. So block on squarespace.com is like text, button, form, image, video, so basically content. And for example, you need the add image. You can upload your image from your computer, select it from your Squarespace library, or you can browse stock images. So guys, you can see the entire interface of the site. It's very clear to any user. You can see you can edit this site very easy. But when you're done editing your website, you need to frequently press this button save. And when you're done editing your website, so you need to publish your website so anyone can see it in the global internet. So for this purpose, you need to get subscription. Here it is, you need to select a plan. You can have personal, business, basic and advanced. So guys, if you need to sell something on your website, if you need the e-commerce website, you really need either basic or advanced, because you can sell your products with the best transaction fees, basically 0%. Here it is. This is a benefit of this exactly basic and advanced plans. But if you don't need to sell something on your website, you can easily choose business, most popular here, only $23 per month, and you will be able to get your free custom domain. You will be able to get SSL security. So when you select your business, like or anything else, any of another plans, here you will be able to publish your website. Instead of this subscribe button, you will see a publish button. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. As I already said, the entire interface of the site, it's very clear to any user. So I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.